Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry it's been some days since I posted last. I got sick with a stomach virus, and so did my youngest son. And then my oldest son, he had a sore throat, missed Friday of school. So I'm just now getting video posted. Usually I do cooking videos on meals I make and meal ideas. Today is my local food pantry day, and this is through a local church, and they are open twice during the month, but you're only allowed to go once. So this is what my family received today from the local food pantry at the church. We got a dozen eggs, and then we got this bag of Cheez-Its, and then this box of 10 pouches of the Capri Sun fruit punch, and then this box of Pop-Tarts, roasted strawberry, and then we got the pasta spaghetti, 16-ounce, and then a can of mushrooms, pieces and stems, and then Star-Kissed Chunk Light tuna. This is in the larger container. This is 12 ounces. And then a can of Libby's fruit cocktail, no sugar added. And then this is wonderful for my youngest son. He has some food allergies. Incognito Morningstar chicken tenders, 100% plant protein. He can have chicken, it's just he's allergic to beef, but this is still good because we give him a lot of plant-based stuff, like, you know, the milk and the beef alternative, but that's still wonderful for him. And then we have a huge bag of, it says 5 pounds uncooked chicken breast fillets, so this will be wonderful for both my kids. And then a can of Carnation, Nestle's Carnation evaporated milk. Now, I noticed a couple of times from the food bank, this evaporated milk, now not that this one's still in date, it says September 15, 2020, but I noticed in the past from the food bank, we received some of this evaporated milk, it had a date of 2017. So that was way past what it should have been. So I ended up having to throw that out because I'm not going to give something dated from 2017 especially I'm not going to have it, my kids and my husband, so I had to end up throwing, but I'm glad that this one's in date and can be used. Clover Valley sliced potatoes, and then we got Bush's Best dark red kidney beans, and then we got this can of Members Mark whole kernel sweet corn, and then the petite diced tomatoes, and then Popeye's leaf spinach. That's nice to get the spinach. And then this box of macaroni and cheese, thick and creamy. And then we got this Regano pasta side dish, chicken flavor, pasta with the chicken sauce, and Idahoan Baby Red's mashed potatoes. And then we got a can of French style green beans, and a jar of the Best Choice marinara sauce. And then we were pretty much out of the pancake syrup, so I'm glad we got some Country Kitchen original syrup. And then the last item is this big box, family size, of Cheerios, and that's wonderful to have for breakfast or anytime we want to have a snack of some cereal. Now, some people are saying, you know, well, you're not getting fresh stuff. This is from the food pantry. It's donated food, just like the food bank. They select it for us. We don't have any choice. But I am so blessed to receive what we do And I use everything. That's why I show in my videos that we're using the items and kind of give meal ideas and what we, if you're interested in seeing what we make with the food that we receive. And I also just bring awareness that the local food pantries and food banks are there for you to use when you're in need, when you just are struggling after you pay your bills like I do, and then there's hardly much, left over, and then, or unexpected expenses, the price of gas has gone up, and then food and just everything in general. So I appreciate you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you.